Right, so hey guys, welcome to today's video where I'll be teaching you on how to fix the GTA 5 script hook error which is on screen right now. Now it's a very simple fix and let's get straight into it. So firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to download the file. The link is in the description below, this link, okay, and then you're going to be in this folder. You have these two files, which is GTA5.exe and play GTA5.exe. So you're going to download this two, right click and download, and it will zip the file and it will download the two files. Okay guys, so once the file is downloaded right here, make sure you have Winrar installed so you can open the file. Okay, so this will be the files inside. You have these two files. So what you're going to do is you're going to open Steam and you're going to navigate into your GTA 5 download. Okay, so this PC is not my personal PC, so I don't have GTA 5 installed here, so I'm going to be using Brawlhalla as a test. So make sure you go into your GTA 5, okay, and once you open this, you're going to click on the settings here, go into manage and click on browse local files. Okay, so this will be your GTA 5 installation folder, and what you're going to do is you're just going to open the files that you downloaded, which is the GTA 5 and play GTA 5. You're going to highlight this two, drag it and drop it into this folder, and it'll ask you to replace the file, and you click on replace file and you're done, and then you can go and launch back the game, and this will allow you to play the game like normal. If you have any other issues for the game, you can just straight go into the game and re-update the game. Once the game is updated, it will return back to its normal form. So that's about it for me guys. All the links that I mentioned will be in the description below, and I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching folks.